In this video, you will learn how to start and stop the Honda engine on this Toro stump grinder according to the manufacturer's operating manual. Turn the parking brake on before doing anything. Then move the fuel valve, which is the black lever, to the open position all the way to the right. Move the choke lever, which is the gray lever, to the left. The choke is only required for a cold start. If the engine is warm, you can skip this step. Turn the red switch to the on position. Move the throttle to the disengaged position. You can see going up is engaged and going down is the disengaged position. Hold the safety bail against the handle and push the handle down enough to raise the cutting wheel off the ground. Pull the starter cable lightly until you feel resistance, then pull briskly. After the engine starts, gradually move the choke, which is the gray lever, to the right position to off. If the engine stalls or hesitates, move the choke back to the on position again until the engine warms up enough, then move to the off position. As you can see here, when the throttle is engaged, the wheel begins to spin faster, then slows down when disengaged, but will always spin while the engine is turned on. Be sure this is always raised off the ground. To stop the engine, move the throttle to the disengaged position. Once you're ready to shut it off, release the safety bail to stop the engine. If the engine has been working hard, let it run for a minute before releasing the bail. Then move the fuel valve, which is the black lever, to the closed position all the way to the left.